Powerful performance meets bold design. The BMW X3M competition tops the impressive lineup of new BMW X3M models. The BMW M twin-power turbo inline six-cylinder petrol engine offers 510 horsepower, 650 Nm of torque and goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. With its muscular proportions, the BMW X3M competition is a statement of athletic presence. Highlighting its motorsport genes are the specific M competition design elements in glossy black and the mirror caps in carbon. Inside, the M features combine with luxurious details to create a sporty and exclusive atmosphere. If we start with the aesthetics, it is worth noting the presence of modified headlight clusters and a larger and more muscular kidney-shaped grille that adapts a sports SUV to the design philosophy seen in its older X-Series brethren from the brand. The front air intakes have also been revised for a cleaner look, while at the rear the main modifications are found with new taillights and a bumper that integrates the four regular exhausts. Regarding the interior, the X3M is equipped with electrically adjustable sport seats and a illuminated M logo, merino leather seats in 4 different color combinations, as well as new molding accents, not to mention a special steering wheel with contrast stitching that displays colors. From the M division, in terms of multimedia systems, the 2021 X3M benefits from the complete integration of the BMW OS 7.0 infotainment architecture, as well as being equipped with the BMW Live Cockpit Professional Digital Instrument Cluster. The finishing touch comes with an audio kit signed by Harman Kardon. Thanks to this performance increase, this sporty SUV is capable of reaching 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. That is, 3/10 faster than before. The maximum speed is limited to 250 km per hour, but with the optional M driver package it can be increased to 285 km per hour. Responsible for digesting all that energy is an 8-speed M Steptronic automatic gearbox accompanied by paddles behind the wheel and a new M gear selector in the center console. Its best ally is the MX Drive all-wheel drive system with a clear bias towards the rear axle, as this system only directs some of the engine torque to the front axle when the rear wheels reach their power transmission limits. In addition, with the push of a button, the driver can influence not only the operation of the stability control, but also the distribution of engine torque between the two axles. This is the same factory found under the hood of the M3 and M4 as well. It continues to make 503 horses at 6,250 revolutions per minute, but makes 479 pound-feet of torque between 2,750 and 5,500 revolutions per minute, 37 pound-foot increase. Power is sent to all wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox.